going to have to test my audio first. How we doing? Good. That's working. Excellent. Right. Let's move these headphones. Other headphones. We're good to go. So, welcome. Hello. Day one. Day one. Now, disclaimer. This is day one of me learning Python in my Quest to Code, as the channel suggests. However, I did do day one a couple of days ago. May or may not, it's just a rumour. I may or not have forgot to record it. So I live streamed it. So if you saw it live, that was a one-off. But I forgot to press the record button because I was too excited to start. So I'm going to redo day one. So I uninstalled Python. I uninstalled the editor, everything. Put it back to absolutely nothing. So this is my first run through again, honest. Okay, so just bear with me. So I'll do very similar to what I did before. I'll just run through the intro, what I'm doing, and I'll just crack on. So this is the course I'm following. I will be doing several different types of streams. So I will be doing streams where I follow a book, like a PDF book or a physical book, whatever I've got. But for this one, I've got this guy here. It's a Udemy course. What's his name? Michael Eramo or Eramo. He'll probably tell us in the video. This guy here. So it's actually a brand new Python course on Udemy. So I'm going to follow along and see how we get on. I'll play the intro for you, just so you can see what the course is about, if it's any good to you. But of course I can't play the whole video, because I'll just be me just pirating his content otherwise, so I won't be doing that. So what I'll do, I'll put my earphones in and I'll watch on my iPad while you're watching what I do. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I'm not going to be explaining and talking through everything I do unless you want me to. I'm just going to be watching the video, and hopefully it just gives you some motivation to see where I've come from. As you can see, like I said, I haven't got Python installed. I'm day one. I know zero Python, apart from a couple of lines I learnt last week. So I know zero Python, starting from scratch. By the end of the year, I want to have a game running, a cool little app, something running. And this is my starting point. I decided to stream it because it gives me motivation to actually learn. Because if there's no camera on me, sounds a bit weird, no camera on me, I don't want to perform. So I'll just sit here and play computer games all evening. So this is it. This is me starting. You can watch me learn from day one. Again, any questions? This is being streamed to Mixer and Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So I should see all your chats here. But if I don't, then just tweet me or something. So off we go. So I'm just going to crack on. I'll watch this first, and then I'll put a bit of background music on, just so it's not dead air of me just breathing into the microphone. Okay, so let's go. What do we like? Do I want this view, or should I give you a full screen view? Again, let me know which view you prefer. If you prefer this sort of 3-in-1 view, or if you prefer the full screen one. Probably a bit easier to read, so I'll leave it like that for now. Okay. The 25-minute countdown you see on under my face is Pomodoro technique. So I will be working for 25 minutes, then having a 5-minute break where I'll pause the stream, put a pause video up, just go have a little break. Does help. So I suggest you try it. Okay, right, there we go. Talk to me. If you need anything, talk to me. I'll be here. You can see that. So here we go. I'll play the intro video for this, and then I'll just crack on.
Author and creator of this wonderful course. Hello, my name is Mike Eramo, and I am the author and creator of this wonderful course on computer science and the Python programming language. I'm a firm believer that the best way to learn something is by doing. In this course, you're going to get hands-on experience in learning and writing 40 engaging, meaningful, and purposeful programs. This is the art of doing, computer science through Python application. Throughout the scope of this course, we are going to obtain a mastery-level understanding of fundamental computer science principles that are transferable to any programming language. We'll work with and gain an understanding of a wide range of data types, such as strings, integers, and lists, to any programming language. We'll use control flow operations to make our programs more dynamic and responsive to a user's wishes, so that our programs run differently every time we use them. We'll introduce and work with assignment operators, algebraic operators, so we can do some mathematics, logical, membership, and comparison operators. We'll learn how to use over 20 built-in Python functions before we introduce how to write our own functions that can make our programs more efficient and useful to us. We're going to work with a variety of methods from specific data types like strings, lists, and dictionaries before we learn how to write our own methods for our own classes that we've personally created. Lastly, we're going to see how to import external libraries of code to give our programs even more functionality, like the Matplot library to create graphs or the tkinter library to make GUI applications. I claimed the best way to learn is by doing, so let's see an example of something you will do, something you will create in this course, the Binary Hexadecimal Converter app. This program will convert all decimal numbers up to a given user value to binary and hexadecimal. This challenge problem is found in a contained unit on the topics of for loops. In this course, there are a total of 8 contained units, each building on the skills learned in the previous units. Each unit includes multiple videos of direct instruction and culminates with 5 unique and highly detailed challenge problems. That's 40 challenge problems in total in which you can practice and prove your knowledge, ability, and creativity. If you're looking to build a portfolio of programs to show off your skill, then this course is for you. Each challenge problem is accompanied with a guide that includes a detailed description of the problem, a step-by-step guide which outlines the thought process needed to solve the problem without just revealing the answers to the user. And lastly, example output so the user can verify that their programs are reaching the desired end goal correctly. I have also included complete and working commented code for all 40 challenge problems for you to reference if needed. This is a valuable resource in case you get stuck or are unsure of how to continue your solution. Not only will you receive all of the guides and working code to 40 challenge problems, but the course also includes detailed videos on how to code each challenge problem line by line, such as the Codebreakers app, which uses a frequency analysis of 2 bodies of text to create a cipher that we can use to encrypt or decrypt secret information. We will then simulate the Powerball lottery to see how adjusting the number of balls used will impact the likelihood of us winning millions. Using the random library to generate unique random lottery tickets, the Powerball Simulator app will show us that the lottery is truly just luck. Using functions, we'll investigate how the initial condition of a loan, such as principal, interest rate, and monthly payment, affect how much money we spend in total, money spent on interest, and how long we take to pay off the loan. We'll even create visual figures to help solidify the fact that interest is your worst enemy in the Loan Calculator app. Lastly, we'll use classes to model an entire population and simulate how an infectious disease can be spread throughout a city or a country given some initial parameters. We'll make a GUI app to animate the spread of this disease, and we'll see how resilient people truly are in the Epidemic Outbreak app. I have worked very hard to bring you a course that I truly believe is engaging, meaningful, and filled with purpose. I guarantee that the art of doing, computer science through Python application, will take your current knowledge and understanding, regardless of the level, and raise it. I hope that you purchase this course, that I see you in the next video, and that I can help you improve your skills. Most importantly, I hope that you enjoy the process of learning and the art of doing.
Okay, so you might notice I wasn't watching that. It's because I've actually watched it twice already. So just letting it play out while I get some things to share for Instagram and all that malarkey. So let's tell everyone we're live. Da 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 da. So there you go. That's the course. That's pretty cool, eh? Good. Right. Okay. Let's make sure we share this. Let's okay, so there we go. So the next bit is no installation need. Yeah, so this shows you a way of. This one is just showing you a way of.
Hello. So in these first few...
If you can't install Python or an editor, if you're using a Chromebook, for instance, this Repel, is it Repel? Repel.it, Repel.it. It's just a way of using a browser source, but you have to pay for it. So browser editor. So let's not worry about that. Let's do the Windows install. So
Click on my exe file and begin the installation.
As you see, I've started this. So
This
back to
first
the start.
video, I'm just going to show you how to get Python 3 installed on your computer. So I'm using a Windows machine here for this video. If we go to Google, we can just Google search Python download. And right here, if I click my first link, it'll bring me to the Python site. I'm going to download the latest version of Python, which is, at the time of this video, Python 3.8.0 for Windows. And it looks like we're getting a downloader right here. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, you know, this may take longer, it may take quicker, but once it's done, I should be able to click on my exe file and begin the installation process. So I am going to install the launcher for all users, and I'm going to make sure to click here that I add Python 3.8 to the path. And I'm going to do the default installation, if you look right here, which includes idle, pip, and all documentation. For our purposes here, we're going to use idle to do all of our coding. There's other great compilers such as like PyCharm that we can use, but for us, we're just going to keep things simple, and we're going to use the default, default piece of software that comes with the Python install. So if we click install here,
Right. So let's do that while we're here. Python.org. See, there's the downloads. Okay, so 3.8. Oh, 3.8.1. That's the same link. Okay, Windows users. So I'm on Windows, obviously. What have I done wrong here? Download 3.81. That's an easier link. Let's use that one. So as you see, I downloaded it already, but this is I wanted to do it from start. So this is a brand new install. No, did he say you've got to click that? So let's check. I can't remember now. Yes, add Python 3.8 to path. Okay, so that's so you can save it, isn't it? I believe. Let's do that. Install now. Yes.
compilers such as like PyCharm that we can use. But for us, we're just going to keep things simple, and we're going to use the default the default piece of software that comes with the Python install. So if we click install here, it's going to go through and install Python 3.8 for us.
You see how up to date it is.
So
on 3.8.1.
we'll just let that
this
do
is
its
3.8.0.
thing.
So it's proper up to date. This is cool.
Should finish up here soon in any moment. You almost have to wonder if these like status bars are actually correct, or if they just fill you up right here, for the first 10 seconds, and then the remaining 20 minutes is there. Okay, perfect. So it tells us that the setup was successful.
Look at that, perfect.
So I'm going to close this. And now if I come over here to my programs, I see that I've recently added Python and idle. So if I scroll down to Python 3.8 and I click here, I have idle, which is the compiler that we are going to use to run our code. So if I click this here, it should open up nicely. Right here is the kind of the shell window, so I can do things like define my variables x equals 5, print x plus 2, etc. More importantly, I can come here and I can create new files. So if I come here and create a new file, I can name this file test, and I'll just say
Test.
print
Let's try that.
hello world, which is the first thing that we're going to learn how to do. And if I run this now, I can click run and run module, or I can just click F5 to run this. Before we run, the source has to be saved, so I'm just going to save this to my desktop as test.py, and I'll save it, and it looks like it's running it right here. A few things about idle that you may want to change. So let's come over here. Let's do
F5.
options. Let's configure idle. So some of the things that I've done in terms of the themes, I'm using idle dark. So I'll keep that. And I'm trying to think, did I change any of these other themes here, or I don't think I did. So I think that other than just changing this to idle dark, so if I apply this, now we have what looks like what I'm using in the videos. The other thing that I did, I think if I go to show line numbers here, so the line numbers are nice to have. And if you go here to configure, I think I changed my font size from 10 to, I don't know, was it 18? Let's just see. Yeah, I might have changed the font size so that it's a little easier to read for us. But here we have it, right? So I can do all of my things like type my code, I can import my libraries that we're going to be working with, etc. So there you have it. You should have Python 3 installed on your computer, and you should be good to go from here on out. So I will make sure to see you in the next video. Okay.
Okay, so that's enough. I won't show you any more of his videos, but as you can see, nice and clear. It's all good. I'm up to speed. Everything works. That's great. So now I'll just stick a bit of music on for you and just crack on. So it's probably enough talking from me. But again, please, anything in the chat you want to say, go ahead, treat yourself. Here I am. Okay. learning something new. Learning something new is hard because 1, I have a full-time job. 2, I have lots of other hobbies, and 3, we have a 2-year-old baby. So just goes to show, you know, it's not. It's what I'm trying to show you, that anyone can learn. I hope. So we're just checking the libraries that are installed now. I think I've got this already, but let's try that. Pip. Upgrade. Sorry about that. Good, it's working. It's working. It's good. Come on, iPad. So okay, so there's an ebook to download as well, which is important because it gives you all the answers. If you get stuck on anything, there's a book for you. So I've got that already, so that's okay. Basic data types. Here we go. I'm also going to take some notes, some physical notes, just so it's easier for me to remember. So I'm going to get my notepad.
much to worry about these days. Have you fed the dog? Did you shower this morning? And do you have enough data to post that photo of your dog after she ran into the shower again? With Spotify Premium, you can leave one of those worries behind. By saving your favorite songs to your phone, you can listen without using any of your data. Tap the banner to learn more.
Try singles. You know, I prefer singles. Hi. The quest is to learn the programming language, which is Python, as you see. I nearly typed that in the chat then. I forgot I actually had a microphone. Yeah. It was to just learn any language really, but I started with Python because it seems pretty cool. Is it Python or C#? But to be honest, Python looked easier. But I'm sure that's not true. So I'm just following a Udemy course and some books, and I'm just streaming everything that I do. Microphone's over here, sorry, I have to keep leaning. Okay, what have I done wrong here? Full name. Ah. So it needs to be full name equals. Does that work? That's what it was. I didn't define the variable properly. Hello.
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 Just checking. Just checking it's not you.
Denouncement and death.
I think we're supposed to figgle in with some magical figgler.
Oh yeah.
Here we
No,
go.
can't do it to him. Upon target, in order to get them to denounce their affiliation. Oh, before they die.
Yeah, I pressed him with the thing, and now he's all grown.
Hey, now you're mad.
Alright, I'm going. I just wanted to check it wasn't Steve.
What?
Excuse me? What?
Good, you know what I'm talking about. That's excellent.
What?
Don't understand.
No, neither do I.
Unless I missed half of the conversation.
Just thought I was busting you, but it's not you, so it doesn't matter.
Busting him doing what?
Nothing. Definitely not joining in any chat when I'm trying to program. Just making sure.
Who, me?
Yeah. Hi.
In what chat?
Hello, sorry about that. PyCharm, yes, I have heard PyCharm is probably one of the good ones. But at the minute I'm just following this video and he's using Idle, but I have heard PyCharm is one of the better ones. Is that what you use? Do you use that, or do you assume you use Python? Or VS Code? Okay. What I'll do, I'll check them out now, just so I'll put a link on my desktop if I can find my desktop. So I need to look at PyCharm. Yeah, see, I have looked at it before. What's the other one? VS Code. Visual Studio Code. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks nice. You prefer PyCharm? Okay. I think I did try and install PyCharm. Let me move the mic over because it's. I did try PyCharm very briefly, but there were some options in the install that I didn't quite understand. So I thought I'll have to look into what they mean. So that's why I'm not using it at the moment. But like I said, the guy that I'm following the video on is using just Idle. So even though I've heard Idle is not very good, I'm just following along just so I know where everything is, really.
Running, good. Running out of skips, bad. Next time you're pounding the pavement and want to skip to the beat of your own feet, you'll need Spotify
And hello, Paul
Premium
and Steve.
on hand. With Premium, you can get unlimited skips and complete control of your soundtrack. Hear what you want and leave other songs in your dust. Tap the banner to learn
Sorry you
more.
speak so fast for me. Sorry. I do speak fast. No, don't say sorry. Don't say sorry. You're amazing detective. Yes, thank you, Paul. Thank you. You keep out of this. Oh, it didn't come through. And no, C# is not my main language. I have no main language. Barely English, as you can see. No, I'm not a developer. This is my first ever language. Busted myself, didn't I?
Yeah, very much so.
Believe me, Python is a good start. Good. I agree. Don't listen to these guys that I'm talking to now. I'm with you. You little C-sharpers over there.
Nothing wrong with C#.
I know.
Great.
I'm just making sure you don't convert me while I'm in the middle of this.
We weren't trying to.
Good. You stop that.
Have you heard about Jesus?
Yes.
Well, why don't you come on by? His
Oh,
house is
well,
always
my
open.
other house.
Oh God. Oh, God. So I'm streaming this on Twitch, Mixer, and YouTube at the same time. So the chat is coming.
I noticed it was a bit laggier than usual.
Yeah, I was just trying it to see what it works on. I'm just chatting to a guy on Twitch at the minute.
That means you've got to follow the
That's why
chats
we
as
can't
well.
see the.
You can't see the chat.
Chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you hit the big dude with the green stuff before you
Oops, no, I forgot. I was
come
just
doing
killing
it
him.
now?
Blame Python.
Is he a bitch?
He does look like a bitch. Well, he's a dead bitch now.
He did.
Print full name. Look at this. Extravagant.
Is that their cookie policy in the bottom right-hand corner? 'Cause I kind of like it.
Yeah, yes it is.
Yeah,
That's PyCharm. Yes, I
that is. Yeah, I used to use PyCharm at my old work
Oh, did you?
for their Python. Yeah,
Python usually calls Python for absolute beginners. Okay. So I'm replying to different chats here. Is this a... Sorry, I'll leave your channel, guys. I just want to say hello. Just round
Yes, of course. Do you think? We shall watch you and encourage from afar.
and we're here for moral support as well if you need it. Moral coding support.
up. Thank you.
And
You're
we
welcome.
won't charge you extortion amounts either. That's fine.
Just the regular friends and family rate.
That's it.
Oh, good.
£100 a minute.
All right, well, I'm carrying on. Ciao for now.
Bye.
The 6. Okay. So what is this course? Is this the course that you followed, or is it a course that you've done? have a look. Python 101. Okay. Well, I am following. If you can see my screen, where is my screen gone? This one. This is what I'm doing. So, The Art of Doing. This is the one I'm following at the moment. Oh, thank you. Cool. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet. I'm just trying to see which way I learn better, really. I don't need headphones on. See how it goes. So of course, when I'm doing this, I can't show you the video because I have to watch it on my iPad so you don't hear it all. Otherwise, I'm just pirating his course. But yeah, thank you for the links. Thank you for joining me. Hey Pyro, hello. Okay, I'm back. Hello. Is this a New Year's resolution? Kind of. It's not specifically. It was just I normally stream computer games, and I really enjoy streaming. And the only way I seem to be motivated to do stuff is to actually stream it. So instead of playing computer games, I thought I would try and learn a language. I've always wanted to learn some sort of programming language, and I've never got around to it. So streaming it just makes me motivated to do it. So here I am. So anytime I'm trying to learn, I'll just stream it like this. So yeah, that's it. That's what I'm doing. Just want to make something cool. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's cool. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, Pyro, I have no programming skills or knowledge. This is, day one for me. You're a dev on Python. Oh, cool. Okay, excellent. As you see, I'm still learning print. Nobody judges you. That's fine. You can judge me. I don't mind being mocked. I don't mind the mickey being taken out of me. It's fine. Data types, yeah, we're just going through these now. I'm watching the iPad video in front of me, by the way. I'm not just staring at nothing. More on strings. We're on strings now. All right. Boolean string number float array and objects. Oh, we're on a new video. What's this video? Strings part 2. Okay, so this is a next video. New file. Let's call it strings again. I'm going to move the mic out of the way because it's right in my way. Integers, numbers. Okay, cool. Yeah, any tips you've got, I'm happy to say it will stay in the chat, so that is awesome. I'll take note of everything. So, variable full name equals Johnny Smith. Nope, it's not. Nope, that's the wrong button. In case you didn't know, programmers are obnoxious people who want to help new programmers all the time. Yeah, well, I have noticed. I know some other programmers, two good friends of mine, who are watching, and they always offer help. It's probably why I've never learnt anything, because if I need anything done, then everyone wants to help, which is awesome. I mean, to be fair, all the help people have offered me loads of help. It's been awesome. Want to be famous? Buy followers, primes and viewers on Follow Winbot. No, I don't want to be famous. I want to learn how to program. If you've got a program Winbot, I'll take it. Yes, thank you, Paul. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So it might be a bit confusing because this is streaming to Twitch, Mixer and YouTube. So I'm seeing the chat from all three platforms, but you guys unfortunately are not. If I switch to the other view, I don't know which platform I'm going to go on yet, but anyway. It sounds like I'm having several conversations at once. Write this. Name equals input. Write your name. For you. Alright. I'll stop what I'm doing. These obnoxious programmers, eh? Okay. Should probably put my contacts in, that would help. Name equals input. Right, okay. Richard. Marsh, there we go. Typing bits of code off the internet. My mum always said don't do that. Save. I must save this. Must save. More. What is this? Strings, isn't it? It's not really. Alright. You're not supposed to actually write your name there. Oh. See? When's it is an instruction and when is it not instruction? Raid. Hey, hello. How you doing? Wow, thank you very much. Well, it's very kind of you for the raid. I really appreciate it. You're just seeing errors here, by the way. I'm typing in command line stuff off of the internet. I shouldn't be doing that. Input takes your keyboard input. See, now you're confusing me. I'm following a video. Enjoy the jazz while I watch the video. Look, wait. Hello everybody, how you doing? What am I following here? Johnny Smith, full name, print full name. Oh man, I'm skipping it now. In case you don't know, look. Get back to work. I know, it's the internet distracting me. It was supposed to motivate me to keep doing stuff, and now everybody's talking. How dare you? How dare you talk to me? So, in case you're wondering, this is the course I'm following at the moment. The Art of Doing. But as I've said before, I'm repeating this, I can't play it on Twitch or Mixer or YouTube, wherever you're watching this, because that's just me broadcasting his content. This is a paid course, so I'm having to watch it on my iPad here, hence the reason you've got some jazz and just my screen to watch, so you're just seeing what I'm doing. I didn't expect for anyone to actually watch me code, so I wasn't expecting interactions, but you're more than welcome. I appreciate the company. Yeah, but no more typing stuff out the chat. Rule number 1, don't type stuff out the chat. It's me and Johnny Smith here, alright? I'm on it. Both earphones in. That beeping's annoying me. Hold on. I can imagine it's so hard to ignore people. We're just stupid minions, so don't worry. Are we just doing basic Python, or are you using libraries as well? I am just doing basic Python, literally from day one. This is installing Python from day one. But I have imported some libraries already. Like I said, I'm following this course. I have imported some. I don't know what it was. I've already forgotten. Matplotlib library. That's what I've installed. Do you know any other programming? No. I'm learning from absolute scratch. Absolute scratch. This, if you rewind the video, you'll see that I installed Python just now. Just hopping back, and haven't done much of it over the last 10 years. Ah, okay, just hopping back into it. Okay. Haven't done much of it over the last 10 years since I first picked it up. Do you do other streaming? Your microphone sounds great. Yes, I do. I stream computer games. So I already had all the streaming stuff set up already. So I thought I'd use it to learn some code. Working on a sandboxish game in Pygame. Okay, cool. Yeah, I would. That sounds cool. I would love to do that as well. I would love to do some game programming. But to be honest, I've never thought I'm smart enough. My math skills is horrendous. You'll see this later when I have to start adding stuff up and I don't know where anything is. So, but no, I'd love to see what you do. That'd be cool. Let me know how you get on. What do you want to actually do? That has always been my biggest problem. What do I want to do? I don't know how to program. It's pretty boring. That's what the computer's for. Yes, alright, yes, okay. I know it is. I want to. I don't know what I want to do. I want to just create. I want to be able to create some cool little fun games, and I want to be able to just create some apps for doing like automating stuff. Maybe. Not sure really. It depends how well I pick it up and how interested I am. If I'm really struggling, like I said, following the course, I think there's, I don't know how many things you end up creating on this course. 40 challenging problems. But I think you actually get like a 4 things. So a letter counter app, miles per hour conversion app, temperature conversion app. It's only one temperature to be fair. I'm not using this Fahrenheit rubbish. Yeah, obviously some of this stuff is going to be a bit pointless. Different types of lists. I think at the end he creates some little cool games. I don't know. I'm just going to follow this course. I mean, Christ, it's 28 hours. If I haven't created something cool in 28 hours, it's almost, yeah. One of them is actually a debt calculator where you put in all your debt that you owe and how much you're repaying, and it calculates how much of it is interest and all this sort of stuff. So that is actually quite good for me. I'm actually looking forward to that. When I started with Python a few months back, like 4 months or so ago, I didn't buy a course because I'm a broke high schooler. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I was once a high schooler, but now I have a full-time job, so I can afford to buy a course. It was only £10. To be fair, I didn't need. I mean, I've got a few books as well I could have used, but just decided to follow the course. So I'm going to have to jump back to all these chats here. Well, good luck. I would always recommend find your own little problems to solve. That's much more motivating. But getting the basics done is also fun. Yeah. Once I understand what Python can really do and how I can control it myself, it's going to be a lot easier. And then I'll start, like I said, once I've got these 3 or 4 little apps built in this, I'll be able to think of something that I want to do myself. But Python's so versatile by the looks of it. I should be able to find something. I'm sure I can. Yeah. But thanks everyone. Thanks for joining me. This is distracting is what it is. Stop it. Stop joining me. What, what am I doing? Look. I'm programming, alright? Alright, I'm not programming. I'm just copying from the screen. But don't tell anyone. Where's all my stuff? You should write an API that drives a train. Yes, Paul, I should. Okay, yeah. I'm a train driver is my real job. In case you're wondering where the train's info is coming from. Right, some of my streams are 4 hours and 20 lines of code. Distractions are great. They are great. Well, it's cool to chat to people. But I've got to learn. I've got to learn stuff. I'm learning. I've totally forgotten what I'm doing now. What are you guys doing to me? I've missed it. I've got to rewind the video now. How'd you like the jazz, by the way? Is it terrible? I'm not listening to it. You've got it on your audio, not me. Right. What are we doing here? Let's get this stupid... I really don't like this idle. It's actually driving me mental. I'm going to move the microphone out of the way a little bit because it's in the way. It's like being stuck in a lift. Very relaxing. Is that what you do, Paul, for a night out? You want to chill out? We just put some lift music on. Full name equals... Johnny Smith. It's not my name, by the way. This guy does need to chill out. He's a bit fast. /T. What does that do? /. N. What does that do then? Oh, it tabs the string in. Okay. And N puts it on the new line. No, I don't want to say that. I'm not running it. Real programmers use John Doe. Oh, do they? Well, I didn't want the music to be too loud because if you really hate it, it's annoying. But print full name. Okay, right. Well. Pause, dude. Pause. Okay, so let's do the print. And let's do print full name. What do we get? It's not a string. Get rid of that. God, it's so distracting. We have Johnny tabbed, which is this /T is the tab. This is why it's over there now.
Been
And the
thinking about coming
/N
back to Spotify
is on the new
Premium?
line.
Now that's a great idea. With unlimited skips,
Cool,
ad-free
okay, good.
listening,
As long as you're
and
happy.
offline mode, upgrading to premium is a no-brainer.
Right, there we go. Print full
Listen
name,
to
Johnny
any
Smith
song,
tabbed.
anywhere,
Beautiful.
anytime, without any
Uh
limits.
oh.
Ready to go premium?
Concatenation.
Tap the banner to
Word I
learn
can't
more.
say. So, full name equals, let's use my name. We're using lowercase apparently. Richard. Last name equals Marsh. What the fuck is Marsh? Wow, he's so fast. Oh, God. T. Johnny, beautiful. Johnny Smith. Thank you. It's the way I write it, isn't it? Special. So I'm going to do first name. So now I want to do concatenate them together. Don't like that word. I need a new name for that. Full name equals first name plus, it's the wrong button, plus last name. Good. And then I want to do, not capital P, print, I want to print full name. In parentheses. Go, run. What's that going to do for me? It's wrong. Wrong. What have I done wrong? Full name equals first name plus last name. Print full name. You wrote full name instead of first name in line 7. You're good, aren't you? Full name, first name. Oh, look at you. Excellent spot. Thank you very much. First name. So now it's done for. Okay, excellent. Ah. Thank you, Pyro. I appreciate that. Quick code checking on the fly. Programmer eyes. Yeah, it doesn't help I'm half blind as well. So full name. We need a space in there. So there you go. Bam. Yeah. Nope. No. I need the plus. No. Let's try that. Hey, I have space. Let's just do one space. So print full name dot title now. Okay. Print full name dot title. Okay, so we can just use this one, can't we? Print full name dot title. Don't need any option-y things on there. So it should give me capital letters at the start of my name plus the correct spacing. Richard Marsh. Look at that. Got it. Okay, so we can concatenate inside the print function. So we can do first name plus last name. But I need a space. Okay, so then you can do it in the print function, so you can just call it once, yeah? Is that what that means? I don't. Okay. So then if we want to do it, we want to do print first name, and we want that to have the upper. I don't know what I mean, Pyro. I have no idea what I mean. That's what I mean. Upper. You'll probably hear that a lot. I got no idea, mate. No idea. Talking to myself. Forget people are listening. Plus last name dot upper. So that'll give me an uppercase on both of the last name and first name. But it's a fist name. What's a fist name? Not spell that correctly. That helps. First name dot upper plus my space last name. So that should give me everything I want. First name. Oh, it's all uppercases. It's title that does the first letter. Okay, so let's not look at the video. And let's see if I can do it. Print first name dot title parentheses things plus space. This seems a really wonky way of putting a space in it. I can use the this is Smith dot Johnny Smith. Hang on, I want to roll. Plus last name dot title. Bam, bam, bam. So that should give me my name spelt correctly. Yes? Yes, I can spell my name. I can spell my name, everybody. It's a wonder. Cool, okay, so genius, thank you. I need a badge. Right, so that's strings. Plus means addition. Okay. Okay. Print. That's the wrong button. 4 plus 2. We get 6. Okay, so it's telling me. Okay, so they're just telling me to be careful of the data types. I'm ignoring the harshness. I'm taking it as that was genuine. That's all I'm doing. So that'll be if it's a string. So 4 concatenate those together. This won't work, will it? This is the point. 4 plus 2. What does that give us? What does that do for us? 42. Yeah, it was a joke that came out harsher than I intended. You don't know my friends. I'm looking at you, Paul and Steve. You don't know my friends, so I'm used to the harshness. It's okay. Print. So if I mix up the data type, then it doesn't like that. 4 plus 2. It's going to go mental. Error. Error. Could you seem like the type of guy who takes beatings? Yeah, I don't care. It's a common mistake, that last one. Apparently a common mistake. Don't do it. Let's delete that bad boy. There are no more mistakes in here. Okay, so we're going to set a new variable. Message equals a string of how are you doing today? Question mark. What is going on at home? Not my sentence, but apparently we're counting how many letters, how many H's are in this, okay? That's what we're doing now. So print. Did I define message? Yes, I did. Print message. That gives us how are you doing today? What is going on at home? So now I can do a count of the letters, apparently. H count equals message, and you can call the .count method. The argument can be what? What is the argument? H. Have you got a? It's got to be. It's got to be an exclamation mark. God's sake. So print H count. Bam. 2. What have I done wrong there? Have I spelt that wrong? Hello, what is your... It's supposed to be. Hello. Ow. Yeah, there we go. Let's try again. So it's telling me I've got 3 H's in there, but we know that's a lie, because there's 4. So it's only counting the lowercase. Three lowercase h's, yeah. So what I need to do okay, so print H count, that does the 3 lowercases. So what we need to do that's the cap, so we're not counting the capital H here. Okay, so how do we add that? How do we count all H's? Message equals, why are we standardising this? I don't quite get what we're doing here. Message equals message dot lower. So that's going to lowercase it all. But why am I doing that? Tell me why am I doing that? 4, because it's turned it into a all lowercase. But what if I don't want to do that? Four. Okay. print. Our message has our message has H count, so it has H count plus. This goes wrong apparently. I've just seen this. Plus.
The Dreams up to 50% off winter sale
H's
is now on, and until Tuesday, there's
in
further
it.
reductions on a choice of beds and mattresses. Don't miss
Full
out
stop.
at
In it.
Dreams.
From the people who brought you
Okay.
the vegan egg comes the new taste sensation.
Unexpected EOF while passing.
Redefined vegan cooking for generations.
Oh, I need the plus. That's why.
Maybe.
H count plus H is in it.
Vegan tuna made with
I
seared
didn't
watermelon,
bracketed
served hot
it.
alongside
That's the
freshest
starting
of
point.
fresh veg. It's next wave vegan
Error.
cooking. New Suka tuna serving
Yeah.
at a Wagamama near you. Only through
You
vegan
can't.
January.
You can't do integers and strings together. An H count. Yeah.
That's it, I'm not doing anything this month. No just one drink drinks, no eating at that new steak restaurant place, no new amazing
So we need to turn
trainers.
H count into a string.
What? I've got an
You
extra
can't add them
20%
both
off.
together.
And loads of offers at my favourite
Oh,
shops
oh.
and restaurants every month.
So apparently, if I add
Well, you almost be rude not to.
str,
January does only come once a year, right? Yes, January, I'm doing
str,
Join the American Express card members who saved over £10 million last year with exclusive offers
H
in their
count.
Amex
Oh,
app.
I've
Search
got,
why
I've got to
Amex.
bracket that, haven't I?
Non-required terms apply.
That's the star. That's not a bracket. That's the other bracket. For God's sake. H count is now a string. Strings part 3. Strings part 3. If you run print message now, it's all lowercase though. Yeah, so that means I'd have to add a title. There's a way to doing this without turning it all lowercase. Or isn't that not just adding the title? Autoface. Couple ways actually, but one is the easy way. Okay, tell me the easy way. Go for it. You're live on air. So this must be truth. Want no funny business, all right? Message dot lower. Yep. Okay. Remove line 24. Right, move line 24, message dot lower, count H. What, do that after everything, yeah? Or has that got to be before? Then you don't change the original, okay. Message dot lower. No, in line 24. Okay, gotcha. Oh, because it's before, I see. Count H. I mean in line 25, damn it. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay. So remove this one, or am I adding to that? H count equals message. Right. Okay. Okay. Message dot. Okay. Okay. Message dot lower. Parentheses dot count. And remove that one. What I mean is if you originally replaced the message by its lowercase counterpart, so what happens now? Hello, our message has 4 H's in it. Is that different? Our message has 4 H's in it. I've forgotten what the other one was now. You can do the conversion on the fly without changing the message. Ah, okay. Okay, cool, thank you. Very cool. Very cool. So I think we're on to a new one now. Next video is, where is it? Strings Part 3. So this is so I think we're counting lyrics again here. So he's done lyric equals sometimes is seen a strange spot in the sky. Pearl Jam, I think, isn't it? Oof. So we're going to count the number of S's. Okay. Equals lyric dot lower. So S count equals lyric dot count. S count equals lyric dot count. S. Print S count. Okay, let's do that. It has to save it, isn't it? Must so save it. Strings. Okay, strings. Strings part 3. I'll do .py just in case it gets confused. 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, print multiple variables. Oh, okay. Our lyric has S count, in it. In it. Let's just count, comma. What am I missing there? Why has that gone into a... Oh. Don't need that one there, do I? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I see what I've done there. S's. That's not using it as a... Aha. This is, yeah, that's confusing. Our lyric has 7 S's in it. Our lyric has... Christ. That's what we're doing, changing it again. Print. Ah, lyric has plus. I'm going to turn it into a string. We're going to go S count plus S scissors in it. End. This looks wrong. This looks wrong. It is wrong. See? It is wrong. Okay, a string. Let's count. Okay, so what's going on there? If you compare them, it's cheating. Oh. Let's count. Ah. It is cheating. But I'm a cheater. So it doesn't matter. Has 7 zzz. Why is the 7? Where's my space gone? Yes, so if I put a space there, it's going to give me a nice space, isn't it? Yeah, come on. Yeah, it has 7. Oh, for God's sake. Count. How do I get the space? Has space? Will that work? Yes! Pass them as separate arguments, it automatically separates them using spaces. Okay, if you say so. That's what you do in 910. Printer. Oh, okay. It's only when we added them, concatenated them together, passing 3 arguments to print. Okay. So because I'm doing 3 together, it's just adding them together, so I've got to space them by putting a space in. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, okay. Right, that's why. I was wondering why I suddenly added them together. Alright. Well, no, he's just explaining that now in this. He's just putting the space in there. So if I'd press play for another 5 seconds, I would have got that. Having to explain twice is all the better. Yeah, that's true. I've got... Oh, he was chatting away. I've missed it. It's not about print per se. It's also about how arguments work. Yeah. I think once you understand where to put the arguments and how to put them together, I think that's going to help. Just trying to brighten this up a bit on this. How long we run? 2 hours. I should probably stop soon. Oh, okay, so now I can... So if I copy that one... And then I can run... He's talking about the separator. So if I add... Separator... equals... I'm overwriting the default value now. There you go. I don't know. Well, it got a bit confusing towards the end now. I understand the principle of all that, but I think I'm going to have to use that more before I understand what the hell's going on. Right. He's moved on to integers and floats now, so I'm going to stop at integers and floats and just let the strings soak in. So yeah, so I'll stop it there. I won't do any more tonight, as it's already 20 to 1 in the morning. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me, everyone. It's been amazing. I'm amazed how many people have joined me here. It's really good of you. And yeah, thank you to Anthony Wright's Code for the raid earlier. Very generous of you. I'll thank you on social media. If you want to follow, if you want to follow what I'm doing, the plan was to actually do this on Mixer, but everyone seems to be on Twitch at the minute. But you can find me on Twitter, Instagram. I'm Quest to Code everywhere. YouTube as well. This is live on YouTube as well. So if you want to follow me on any of those, feel free. And thank you so much for following and joining in. It's been fantastic. I've really enjoyed it. It's been great talking, actually. Yeah, no, my pleasure. Thank you. Like I said, it's been awesome. Yeah, I'm sure you can get quite a lonely feeling learning something on your own, just sat in front of a PC. I'm sat in front of a PC all day anyway. So, thank you so much. Very appreciative of all you guys. I'll try and remember to keep streaming this to Twitch. But just in case, if you have got a Mixer account, I would suggest you follow me on Mixer if possible. Just because Mixer's a bit quicker, you can have a higher rating, higher settings, and higher quality. So, but I'll try and do Twitch as well. Mixer.com. It's another live streaming platform. It's where I do all my game streaming. But like I said, I will try and keep it to Twitch as well. But I am going to be predominantly on Mixer and YouTube. Yeah, Mixer.com is awesome. It's the latency on the streams on Mixer is just unbelievable. So quick. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. It's been great. So I'm going to stop there. I should probably go to bed. And keep an eye out for the notifications. As I say, especially Twitter. I'll be posting when I'm going live on Twitter, and I'll try and give a bit more heads up in case you want to follow me along. And this is what we're doing. This is it. What day are we on? The next one might be tomorrow. Might be tomorrow evening. Might be Monday. I'm not sure yet. Right, thank you everyone. Catch you later, and thank you for joining me. And I'll see you very soon. Cheers.